Hello class, and welcome to week number 5 of Counseling 524. Let's look into what we have due this week. You're going to see that this week we're going to be reviewing the experiential and structural family therapy models. You have your readings and galading, it's chapters 12 and 13. Make sure that you listen to the PowerPoints that are included that have audio and several additional resources. This week we are back to having quizzes like last week. So your week 5 quizzes due Sunday by midnight. You have your discussion board if you click on that. For the original posting, you're going to see should be between 300 350 words. Here's your citations that are required. It asks that you watch the video demonstration back here for your initial posting. And once you've done that, you're going to answer the following question for your initial posting. How would you apply Satir's human validation process model if you had the opportunity to work with Rosalind, Carl, Earl, and Duke? So initial posting, 300, 350 words, and these citations. Your peer response posting, here's your citations and your word count. Once you've reviewed your peers' initial postings, you're going to provide or propose a different perspective by explaining how you might apply Whitaker's symbolic experiential family therapy with this family. And then it talks about summary of the different approaches down here below. What else do you have this week? Your FOOP assignment is due this week. Briefly, looking here, it talks about how it is submitted via Turnitin. As a result, and I mentioned this, I believe, in our Zoom meetings and probably in the instructional videos for this assignment, make sure, number one, that you use quotes sparingly. The recommendation is to not use more than one quote per page. And as you know, a lot of this paper is about your own experience. Section 3, you are referencing research studies and comparing your theme to your family, exploring what's out there. But I really want to see your own words. Make sure that you are citing when you are using a different source. But as noted here, paraphrase, use your own words. Make sure that I am knowing that you understand the research study. I know that the researchers do, but I want to make sure that you do. So that's why we want to paraphrase. And when you are utilizing citations, make sure that the paragraphs are balanced as well with original insight and citations. I shouldn't see paragraphs of citation, citation, citation without any sort of original insights. That's some of the basics with Turnitin that I like to share. Besides that, you can find the grading rubric here. And there is already an instructional video about this assignment. If we look down here below, it does denote that there's 2 different submission links. If you cannot include your FOOP genogram in this link, if you're having struggles, you can include it here. If you were able to include it in this link, you can just make a notation here within this assignment stating my genogram was included in my FOOP submission. That is fine, but these were just separated out a little bit ago in order to accommodate those students that weren't able to attach their FOOP genogram within their paper. So that is it for this week. It is a bigger week with turning in this assignment, but make sure looking ahead, you're going to see your film TV case conceptualization slides are due in week 6, and then shortly after your presentations are due. So just keep looking ahead if possible. I know it goes quickly, but I'm hoping that you've been working on these assignments and you can see the process of trying to apply these different models to your own family and then also to the family that you chose for the film TV case conceptualization assignment. That's it. Reach out as you need, and I hope you are doing well. Thank you.